Hey Jam Fam, and welcome back to the channel. It's Tech Talk time again, and finally today the mic adapter for the Osmo Action has arrived. Yep, it's been a long time coming, but it is finally here. So we're going to test it out with a few different mics and compare it against the internal microphone. If you're new here, don't forget to spread the jam and subscribe. We really appreciate the love. And ring the bell to be notified as we upload new videos. And if you like the video and it all helps you out, give us a big thumbs up. So I really think you need to watch this video before you go ahead and buy a GoPro Hero 8. So let's test this adapter out and see if it was worth all the wait. Up next. So here it is in the flesh, a little microphone adapter here. Get close. You can see that it's got your mic 3.5mm jack in. Also a place to put power in, so you can power while this adapter is attached. And that's the USB-C in right there. But first, let's talk about cases. And there has been some problems here. If you remember this, the Osmo Pocket mic adapter, it seems that all the third-party case builders thought that this was going to be the adapter that would be used on the Osmo Action as well. So unfortunately, a few people have jumped the gun and their case does not fit the adapter correctly. So we have three cases here today. The first of which is the original DJI case that came with the camera. The second was a PGY Tech case. And the third was a small rig case. So firstly, let's have a look at this original DJI case that came with the camera. And if you plug the mic adapter into the side here, like so, clicks in and fits in perfectly. The only problem about this case is that it never came with anywhere to mount a microphone. So that means we have to move on to third-party cases. So okay, moving on to the second case, which is the small rig Osmo Action cage. Now this is a great looking cage, very robust, and it's got lots of different places to mount things on the side, and I've put a cold shoe mount on the side here. But now, as we found out, they designed it around this adapter, which was for the Osmo Pocket. So if you plug this into the side of the camera, works fine, but it's not the right adapter. This new one here is not designed for this case. This side here is too thick and you cannot plug the mic adapter in. So this case is pretty much now useless, except if you don't want an external microphone, which, why would you buy a case if you didn't want that? So now we turn to the other case which we purchased, and this is the PGY Tech case. Now, I don't know if they fluked it or if they knew about the design, but this case works perfectly. Because the side is narrow like the original case, the mic adapter fits in perfectly, clicks in, and works a treat. The other thing I like about this case is it has two cold shoe mounts. So you could put a light and a microphone on this case. So this case from PGY Tech, the cheaper of the two, is the one I would recommend. So everyone, a big warning to you, don't go and waste your money on the wrong case. Make sure you get a case that can fit the mic adapter in the side. So now we're going to test how this mic adapter actually performs. So we're going to go outside, so we've got a bit of background noise around, so we can really see how it's going to go. And the first thing we're going to do is just test the internal microphone of the camera, so we've got a comparison. So we're outside now, and first of all we're going to do a test with the internal mic of the camera. So internal mic, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So mic adapter attached now, we're going to test out the Rode Video Micro, see how it goes. So this is our second test now using the Rode Video Micro. So Rode Video Micro, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. So the second external microphone system we're going to use is the Rode Wireless Go. I love this system, so let's test it out on the Osmo Action. So this is the third test using the Rode Wireless Go. Rode Wireless Go, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. So using the Rode Wireless Go, of course, means that you can be a fair distance away from the camera and you can still get good audio. So that's the advantage of using the great Rode Wireless Go. So there they are, comparison done. And what do you think? Leave a comment down below what you think of the mic adapter and how you think the external mics performed against the internal microphone. So lastly, I just want to talk about the GoPro Hero 8. And don't get me wrong, I think it's a great action camera, but I think it stacks up very, very closely to the GoPro Hero 7 and the Osmo Action. With the Osmo Action and this great new mic adapter and some of these awesome third-party cases like the one from PGY Tech, I think this is a great little combo. And the Osmo Action with the mic adapter and these cases are all available now, and you don't have to wait till November. And the best thing is you get this combination with the front facing screen at a cheaper price. Guys, it's a no-brainer for me. I would stay with the Osmo Action. Just as good and cheaper. An absolutely awesome effort by DJI first time out. So everyone, that's all I've got for you today. And don't forget to spread the jam, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. And that's Jam Live, signing out.